bird flight patterns and music. In this concert video, we explore 5 flight patterns used by various bird species and hear classical music that moves with the same rhythmic and melodic motion as each flight pattern. Featuring performances by the New Bedford Symphony Orchestra, the New Bedford Symphony Orchestra Education Trio, with special guests Chavi Bo, photographer for the Ornithographies Project.
It's taking many pictures per second and stretch all that frames together into a single one. So that way you could see clearly many seconds in a single image.
Professor David Lenting from Stanford University's Bird Flight Robotics Lab. Heloise de Grugier, recorder soloist, performing the world premiere of Jamie Allen's Nightingale Concerto. Sam Claggett and special guest from the Buttonwood Park Zoo. Don't miss your opportunity to see this unique program. Tickets are just $15 for each household and can be ordered directly on the New Bedford Symphony Orchestra website.